Matangin na niyan. Hindi ata nakatodo yan. Masakit sa akin.
Wala, ganyan talaga.
Ay, ikaw mag-score. Score mo muna. Ano sa bag?
Mag-score ka daw. Asan yung scoreboard?
Nandito sa bag ng blue. Sa likod nun. Yung zipper. Ah.
Yan,
Hindi yan. Ay, nail mo. Sa likod yun.
But I don't fuck with broke. Gotta find a girl. I took her to the bay with me. Eyes closed, smoking marijuana.
1-0.
That buy money, I'm a rockstar. She wanna do drugs, smoke weed, get drunk. She wanna see a nigga trap. She wanna fuck all the rappers. That rich nigga with you.
Doon ba lagay lahat ng gamit sa likod? Yun, parang kapil lang. All one?
Black girl with a big book. She a bad bitch. Spit good. Another girl. Give me this bitch with no man. Another girl. All the money in the air. I wanna see you dance. Just got rich. Took a broke nigga bitch. I can make a broke bitch rich. But I don't fuck with broke bitches. I'm a rich nigga with you.
Score, score! Del! Uy! Score, score, score! All one? Ayan, tanong mo sila.
So you can label, okay? Let's talk about this ice that I'm carrying. All these cameras like I'm a fucking vegetarian. Shot down with the app, keep a red bone wet, Rolls Rolex, whole deck. She know I got a check, doing too good when she ride that dick. Man, I wouldn't
Kasi
trust
wala
that
si Amar
bitch.
kami,
No.
ano, parang... Ay, pumano. Ay, parang talo yun. Ball 2.
Close to me, and all the mother nigga where they supposed to be. Oh, the house go for me, and your chicks in the pig like close to me. That's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be.
Nag-guess na ano, alam mo yun. Lahat na na sumilip dyan. Iwan dito. Ay, sorry po, sorry. Wow, pala ba?
Love when I show up. It's not my fault. She wanna know me. She told me it was just a homie. She came down like she knew me. Made it up like a glue. And that's like cold nigga turn the summer to the winter. She saved me in the phone and bestie, but I had her scream, oh. Yo girl, what's it supposed to text me? You wanna know how I know what I know?
Sinama ko si Amber sa road sa ano, sa road
I ain't
guard.
knowing how when she supposed to pay.
So tayo na, Andrew, ang init na, eh, pag tumigil.
I'm getting money like a
Parang,
supposed to pay.
tama namin si Popo.
All my niggas close to me.
Umaga yung umaga.
All my niggas where they supposed to pay. Oh, the house go for me.
Ganda, umaga po tayo doon kahit mga nakasampu tayo eh. Road guard.
That's how I'm supposed to pay.
Kasi ano,
That's how I'm supposed to
hindi
pay.
busy.
That's how I'm supposed
Umaga kasi open play talaga.
Everything good like it's supposed to be. Got your girl in my section, finna go up.
Anong balita doon
Smoking
kaya
loud, I'm about
sa
to
PBA Motor
She
Club?
ain't never got high like this, with a guy like this. When she pop it to the hold up.
Bilis lang yan. Ano rin nila yan, ibubus din nila. Hindi man sa kanila kasi player sila eh. Sipin mo, pag na-promote nila, nakita ko, pwede pala tayong magpagawa ng ganito. Hanggang sa Oo, hindi ba may mga lahi sila rito? Oo, yung mga ibang lugar, di ba? Magdala silang ganun. Tsaka ano, collectible. One of one eh. Ikaw ba, pag meron ka nun, siyempre parang culture eh. One of one ito eh.
Everything good like it's supposed to be. Young money come close to
Tsaka ano
me.
yan sila kasi tapos na karin na sa basketball eh. Business minded na sila. Ayun ang masarap sa kita. Pero nakikita mo sa business na na masarap sumama sa mga ganun. Open isip nila sa ganito lang ba sa atin yun? Nasama lang talaga sila. Nagkilalapit lang mga hey! Tapos hindi natin matawag.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, fa la la la. Drink, fa la la la.
9 minutes!
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, fa la la la. Drink, fa la la la.
Kasi yung club, happy pa lang desire ko. Pero pag yung kalagay yung club,
Shimmy, 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 yeah, shimmy, yeah. Bad girls gon' swallow la la. Bust down on my wrist and it bitch. My pinky ring bigger than this. Matter how Beverly Hills. Dollar got you Matter how Beverly Hills. All she wears red bottom heels. Push it back it up, put it on the top. Push it back it up, put it on the top. DJ, but she can follow that. Champagne, but she can swallow that. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
hindi may dadagdag
Drink,
sa
fa la la la. Drink, fa la la la.
pero ang nakikita ng sarili mo nag-reflect.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, fa la la la.
Nakikita mo yung ano eh,
Drink, fa la la
idea.
la.
Napapaisip mo na napapaisip. Ang ganda. Meron man dati pero hindi.
Bad girl, that's all I know your word to the Dalai Lama. He know I'm a fashion killer word to John Galliano. He cupping that Valentino. Don't tell me though, I'm that bitch he know. I always say things that you don't get wins for that. On another good year, we don't get wins for that. Just the game still call, we don't get mixed for that. When I'm popping the bananas, we don't get
Pag may din sila, gawin na sila. Gumaga yung logo ng iconic na malaki sa baba. Ang gantig na yun. Hindi ko rin nilagay yun sa akin eh. Vincent no?
Hey babe, this my new shit. I'm the black bitchy bitch with the roof missing. If it don't make dollars, don't make sense. See, wake up like I gotta get it. And I got an engine for a trunk space. I get money 3 ways, fucking bitches 3 ways. 7 different formats, plus she's no I'm late, but I make that bitch walk with the cheesecake.
Bali ang patas
Call this nigga icy, looking in the mirror like I wish I could be me. She too into me, I'm more into money. My hobbies, her body, that pussy's my hobby. I'ma eat it, I'ma eat it.
Kasi doon
I don't lie, I'm a
nung
dick,
first
super
host,
seated.
kinukuha nila no.
Told her she my wife for the weekend, but don't be acting like a ninja 'cause we poppin' like.
Yung sa'yo, ang kapal yun eh. Hindi kasi yung iba doon. Inisip na binigay na lang makakakating sa mga kaya
We poppin' like,
pero siyempre yung quality
we poppin' like.
ayun, hindi na
I'm in the road, she don't roll right. My chain shine brighter than the strobe light. I'm tryna fuck Coco, this don't concern ice. If I motorboat, she gon' motorbike. A nigga ain't worried about nothing. Rehabilitation, just ain't worried about fucking. Money decision making, only worried about stunning. She worried about me, her nigga worried about fucking. I wanna see her body. She said it's inside of me. I wanna feel you, baby. Just bring the animal, feel me. Big loving, she love it, especially when I go down. Now we fucking,
ano
she
yun
thugging,
dating
getting loud.
pricing na talaga ganun na talaga pricing na
Just
talaga
got real hands,
kinuha nila dati sila po yung page coach dati pa talaga
I'ma take her ass down, she wanna run around.
nakaunahan nila na may kumagat
I'm a bougie ass nigga, make the move down. We poppin' like,
nabasa mo chat ka?
We poppin' like.
hindi naglalaro na ayun o naglalaro na
spot your bitch from the way.
ayun nabasa mo
She gon' follow my brain, that's a nice saying. I just know it's right, like Tom Brady. With
that long blonde hair, that's Marshall Brady. I'm on the bunch of lady Chelsea, high hang, no handler. Got the legs racing hard on vacation. No
5 minutes.
said you amazing, moving too fast, can't pace it.
Kaya may patuloy ko.
Meron ako yung spray. Napainit kasi na ano yan. Mamaya papangulan ng hito. Mamaya mula na di bigyan ha, 5 minutes na lang. Piligan natin. Good, 5 minutes. Hindi ako gumagamit na ito, kaya palagi
Mamaya manghihingi ako niya pag sumama.
hindi sana
Balikan.
lima-lima lang.
May injury to eh.
Lima-lima na lang pa. Ay, naman.
Si Austin wala eh. May ganap na sila eh. Si Jane yan. Sa ato na. Di ba tayo? Ito.
Hindi kayo kahit naman.
Ikaw ayaw mo?
Mamaya pa. May biyahe din ito lalamig na.
Ay, hindi ko maglalaro.
Ganun ako lang. Ano lang, isa ba lang. Hindi ako pwede magpapagod yan. Trabaho yun. Mahirap bumiyahe ng pagod. Palaro naman ako ng
Grabe na yung remedies ko. Bilang mo na yung dyan ko. Bilang mo na. Ayaw ko na lang.
nag-vape. May vape na ako loko.
Tingin.
Binigyan ng kapatid din. Yung papa.
Aking papa. Maganda rin daw yan pa. Aking papa eh. Kanina pa kayo dito, Jen?
Oo, kasi wala ako. First game yan.
Hindi ko nilaruan yung ano eh, oh, Nel. Inter. Ha? Wala, hindi ako nakalaro. Talo sila eh. Sa Rizal. 8 lang lamang, pre.
Kaya mga player nila.
Sila Williams eh.
Depending kami sila.
Ayun yung nag-champion, par. Pero 8 lang lamang sa kanila.
Ayun, sabali.
Gagawang ganda rin pala na ito. Akala ko ano lang, parang pangdiwan lang.
Ano bang lagawin? Arte?
Team Papa, oo ano.
Team Papa!
Ito yung binibenta ni Kenny.
Running time yan ha!
Hindi pa abot ng change. Hindi pa abot ng change.
Di ako sila, kasalanan ko lang. Sorry, ano tayo, 15 minutes.
13 minutes ng kanta eh. 13 minutes yung kanta. Okay din yung dish niya. Sarap.
3 minutes!
Lasang coke.
15 minutes. 21. Mabagal lang talaga scoring nila. Yan, hindi pa nga nag-change eh. Hindi kasi minsan mabilis eh, tapos ang kinakain lang minsan 10 to 12 minutes.
Ayun, labanan nila. Ano si Danilo?
Yung mga nauna muna, Dabi.
Oo nga,
Ito
sila.
kasama to si Lemar.
Di, mamaya na.
Ito sa akin.
Doon na ako sa kanila.
Kami ka sumabay.
Mamaya na ako.
Doon na kayo, Angel. Dulan to. Ikaw. Popoy. Poy.
Si Danilo
apat na
rin.
kayo at saka si Danilo. Maya na kami nagawa.
Mamaya na kami. Kaya muna. Hindi si Danilo. Mamaya na sabihin na natin sa atin yun.
Hindi sila. Anong sa kanila?
Sige, ikaw ba?
Mga tatlong sila kakalaban yung mga. Ayun ako. So yun na agad tayo.
Hindi maganda pag di mo talaga kilala ka lang.
Lalabas laro mo kasi. Hindi mo hindi tayo sa ano, tayo yung sinayo. Ano natin masyadong kilala yung talaga.
Pero magaling yung sinama ko na maganda. Yung may team, yung referee. Magaling yun.
1 minute!
Ayos ko mga ayos dun. Ito eh. Kay Dandy din ako dito ngayon. Nagbenta ng t-shirt. Kay Dandy din ako dito.
Oo po, magbibenta rin pa. 30 seconds! 30 biglang po yung Danilo. Si Danilo. Danilo! Danilo! Lima kayo ah. Si George, saka ito si Kuya Mike. Ayun mo ba? 20 minutes.
Gusto mo sumabay ka na sa amin.
20 seconds.
Pero sabay ka na sa amin. Para
Yan ball.